Ready to dive into the world of crypto but need to know your Ethereum address? Today, I'm going to give you a super quick walkthrough on finding your Ethereum wallet address inside Trust Wallet, ensuring you can safely receive it and other ERC20 tokens first. Make sure you've downloaded and set up Trust Wallet on your phone. Now, open the Trust Wallet app. You should see your main wallet screen displaying a list of your crypto assets. Find Ethereum in the list. It's usually near the top, and tap on it. You are now on the Ethereum wallet screen. See that blue receive button? Go ahead and tap that. Boom, here it is. Your Ethereum wallet address is displayed in both text format and as a QR code. This is your public key, meaning it's safe to share. This is the address you'll give to people when they need to send you Ether or any ERC20 tokens. To copy the address, simply tap the copy button right below it. A little notification will pop up confirming that the address has been copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste the address wherever you need it, whether it's in an email, a text message, or directly into an exchange. And that's it. You successfully located and copied your Ethereum wallet address. Remember, this address is also used for any ERC20 tokens you hold within Trust Wallet. Be sure to send crypto to the correct address. Subscribe for more Trust Wallet tips.